I'm Suzanne Ridgway, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make 2 Dollar Tree DIYs for Christmas for $10. That is awesome. Great way to use the crafts that Dollar Tree has to offer. In this holiday season, they have really stepped it up with tons of things that you can craft with, from floral to fake snow to wreaths. They have everything. Just use your imagination. If you are new here, thank you so much for dropping by and checking me out. I like to do crafting with me during the holidays, sometimes in the spring and the summer as well, to put new items into my home that don't break the bank. My subscribe guy, he just popped up. He's asking everybody to go ahead and smash that like button. He's also directing you to smash on that subscribe word down below. Don't forget, when we get to 800, we're going to issue out 2 $10 Dollar Tree gift cards. One for new subs, one for people who comment. If you comment, you must be subscribed and be a U.S. resident. If you are a new subscriber, you must comment that you are new in order to qualify and be a U.S. resident. I really like to thank each and every one of you for all of your support. My channel keeps going up in subscriptions and views keep growing daily. If you'd like to send Jaclyn a birthday card, please make a note in comments that you want to send her one, and I'll give you information via email on how to send Jaclyn a birthday card to my home. I have these 2 pillows from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to show you how to make a fabulous holiday Christmas pillow from items from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to take these placemats from the Dollar Tree and make a fun, inexpensive pillow using all Dollar Tree products. Just carefully cut off the tag. This has the farm truck on it, and I absolutely love it. I'm going to show you how to make a pillow. Just a few dollars. One of the first things you're going to do when you make your pillow is take your glue gun. You're going to run glue all the way down at the bottom. A generous amount. And you're going to press down. Then you're going to repeat each side, making sure the seams even up to make your pocket. On the final side, a lot of glue so they close up. Then we have a pocket, and we're ready to put the pillows in. Now I have these fun pillows from the Dollar Tree. I made my pocket here. I'm going to take 2 of the pillows. Doesn't matter what color they are, because we're going to go inside our pillow we're making. And we're going to do a final seam on our pillow. This is going to make a fantastic gift for somebody. And you made it. And what's better than homemade gifts during the holidays? It's going to be the tricky part. Making sure the top part's completely sealed. Getting a glue stick ready here. I want to make sure that they're even. Great way to make throw pillows. Always making sure that my camera's going. It did stop. I had to start it up again. I grabbed 4 of those pillows at the Dollar Tree, and it's going to be perfect amount to make these pillows. I'm going to make 2. I may make more because I got poinsettia placemats as well. In about 10 minutes time, you have a great pillow. And it's nice and fluffy. Just gonna make sure all the seam parts are completely sealed. Here's what it looks like. I'm gonna make one more. I love it. Here's my pillow on the couch. I absolutely love it. It looks super cute. For this last craft, I'm gonna take this Dollar Tree wreath and embellish it and make it look nicer. I'm going to take off their bow and the jingle bell and the tag. And then I have my wreath here, and it looks like it has snow on it, and it has that white touch there. I have a festive bow from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to hot glue it on. Like that. Glue gun should be heated up again. This one's going to hang on my door hook outside to dress up my front door. I have an awkward small front door. And I can't really do giant hula hoop wreaths or anything like that. So this will be perfect for it. Take a lot of crafts from the Dollar Tree by using your imagination. I'm going to secure the bow. So it stays on. Now you can see what it looks like with on. And when I'm done, I'll show you a full view. I have these little drums in different colors. I'm going to take them all out of the bag here. I would like to put a few of them on the wreath. Starting with the red one. And then use some of the scatters. Traditionally, the scatters are for your chargers that you make little displays with poinsettias and candles and Christmas stuff. I'm going to use them on my wreath. These drums can hang on your little trees, or you can use them to decorate. Another red drum on this side. Trying to matching up with the height on either side. Not quite ready. And then I did a blue one. So you push down hard. And then a gold drum. Up at the top with the other gold one. Here are my scatters. I have some stars. One in between. I'm going to do a snowflake. Make sure you put a generous amount of glue so they stay on. Then I'm going to take the silver drums. Place them up at the top with a Christmas tree. I'll show you what my wreath looks like when it's done. I'm just going to add some extra glue so everything stays on it. I have these words. They come in a 3-pack. They say peace, joy, and believe. They're nice middle words. If you wanted to, you can paint them to make them pop. I'm going to leave mine silver. I want the joy one. I'm going to put the joy one on the bow. Just going to add some extra glue for the bow and make sure it stays on the wreath. You can feel the heat through the metal, so I recommend that you place your glue on your bow where you want the sun word to go. You put a generous amount down so it will stay in place. You can just take all the glue strings and peel them off when it dries. And add some extra glue to these drums here. The tree They're secure. And that is what it looks like. And I'll show you a full view. Here's what my wreath looks like. I like the joy word with the drums and the little scatters throughout the wreath. Inexpensive way to make a craft. 3 words for $1, bow for $1. The drums were $1 pack. The scatters $1. And the wreath itself was $1. Around $5, you make a great festive wreath. Here's what my wreath looks like hanging up. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed making that pillow with me today from placemats and random items from the Dollar Tree. Then taking the boring wreath from Dollar Tree and making it pretty and festive. If you are new here, I really appreciate you dropping by and checking me out. Thank you to everyone who supports me each and every day. Don't forget about the giveaway when we get to 800. All of that information's in my description box down below. It is not too late to give Jaclyn a birthday card the rest of the month. You can email me at countryboots1268@yahoo.com or contact me in comments, and I'll get you my street address to where I live to get Jaclyn a birthday card. My subscribe guy just popped up. He's asking everyone to go ahead and smash that like button. He's also directing you to smash on that subscribe word down below. Don't forget to tap on that bell.